Now I will solve this question. Here Python has inbuilt string in method for the basic data. It can check if a string is composed for alphabetic. Here S is given as a string. My task is to find if string is alphanumeric character, alphabetical character digits, if it has a digit in lowercase and uppercase. So I just use the any function which is built in. So I will write just any, then s dot. First I need to find alphanumeric. So is L numeric, and S has the string is QA2. So I will use a for loop for C in S. So it will take every text and compares it. Even if only one character is matched, one condition is satisfied, and it will return true. That's called any function. We have three Q2A. Q2A. If one character is set meets the condition, then it will return true, even though the rest of is not matching. First is alphanumeric, then the second is alphabetical, the third is digit, then is the lowercase, then upper. Here we have only one uppercase, even though it will return true just because of any. And here if we have only one lowercase, still it will return true. Here only we have one numeric, still it will return true. 12 alphabetic, still it returns true. One digit only we have. 2 alphabetic, then we have one numeric, one alphabetic, which is called alphanumeric. Still only I can say one or two condition is satisfied, but due to any function it will return true. So I will run the code. Okay, the last three digit is showing wrong. Yeah, I have to use a for loop, so I have to use C here instead of S. Yeah, then because I use as a for loop and consider S as a C. Yeah, done.